All right, Dustin, I got your Galaxy Saturn ready to go. Went through, did some repairs on some of the traces on the motherboard that were broken. Did some electrolytic cap upgrades, voltage regulator upgrade, tune and alignment, of course the swing kit. Upgraded your lights. You didn't have any casings in the back for lights, so I put those in and put some LED lights in there. Got the frequency counter reading on frequency again. So let's jump right in. AM mode, power's all the way down. We'll look at dead key first. We're using a 25 watt slug, so we're reading at top scale. So about 2 watts all the way down. I'll crank her up for you. About 7 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Now before I tuned it, it only swing forward about 1 watt. So from like 5 to 7, 5 to 6. Now I think you'll be pretty happy with it. Hello, audio. About 14 average. Jump over here to peak power, 50 watt slug. So I'll be reading that middle scale. Hello, audio. So around 29-30 watts on AM. Pretty good for a single final radio. We'll jump down here and go to sideband. See what she's doing there. Hello, audio. So right at 25 watts on sideband. So went through the receiver, it was down quite a bit too, Dustin. So I hope you like it. Good old radio. Take care.